Quick review on Island Shippers and my experience with them, which is pretty amazing. You know, the sign up was very easy. I selected being a platinum member, which is totally free. You know, you package them secure. So I signed up with this shipping company because I wanted to ship some packages to Jamaica, and when I was searching for shipping company, this company actually stood out. Amazing. So I decided I have to work with them. I got to see this for myself. So I went ahead and have some packages shipped to them. When it reached them, I was notified that my item was received by one of their staff or members or whichever. My package left their warehouse. I was notified. When it clears custom in Jamaica and after I pay for my package, I get notified that it's out for delivery. Now I've shipped over 3 packages with them that I totally got updates for, and I have received in Jamaica. Brilliant service, brilliant experience, customer service. They're always responsive. You know, you get answers to all your questions, whatever questions you have.